Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to do stretch resolution on Macintosh. Alright, so before you do this, make sure you have Fortnite or Epic Games closed at this time. For step number 1, you want to go to the Finder. You want to hold left click and press Go to Folder. Alright, so once you go to Folder, you're going to be brought to a bar, which is going to be blank. You're going to want to type this command, which will be in the description, into the little chat bar and press go. Now you're going to be brought to a listing of just random things on your computer. You're going to scroll down through it until you find a folder that's called Fortnite game. Now you're going to go into that folder and go to Mac client and just don't touch anything with the crash report client. And you're going to be brought to a folder that says GameUserSettings.in. Now these next steps are going to be kind of tricky. You're just going to press the folder, press a right click, and you're going to highlight the open with and move your mouse to the right and go to text edit default. You're going to open that, and this whole little code is going to come through. This is all your files in Fortnite currently for your screen. You're going to want to find resolution size X or resolution size Y. The resolution that you're going to be using is, I'm pretty sure it's going to be 1440 by 1080. So X is going to be 1440. So you're going to type that in there. And if you want to, you could go to the last confirmed and type in 1440 as well. That is just your preference to make sure it works completely. And now you're going to go to File. You're going to go to Save, and do not touch anything after that. Just press the X and then close this. Alright, so this is just going to be a basic tip. If you're going to go into stretch res on Macintosh, I'd make sure you have your game on windowed full screen. That is where it seems to work mostly all the time. This way or method does not work 100% of the time. Sometimes it may work or sometimes it may not, but most of the time it will. Another stretch res that you could use would be 1600 by 1200, and the basic resolution that you're going to have on your game, which should be 1920 by 1080. That's what it's going to be set on when you're in full screen. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be start uploading probably 3 times a week. I'm going to keep up with that grind. We're going to be trying to grow this channel. I hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like and subscribe. Later.